This is a 2012 GMC Acadia, a drive and shape that provides endless luxury. It has a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a remote start feature, heated front seats, a rear seat DVD entertainment center, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, XM satellite radio, and a backup camera. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, leather seats, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, OnStar, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 18,000 miles on the odometer. This GMC has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.